Welcome to System Master Academy Mathematics class. In today's class, we want to work on division of complex number. In my previous classes, I've done multiplication of complex number, but today we're going to look at division of a complex number. Before you look at this, let me subscribe to my channel, let me share my links, and let me like my videos. Now, how do we do this? We are still going to work on this based on what we did in the multiplication of complex number, because when you are doing division of complex number, there is no way you are still going to do multiplication of complex number that we did the other time. So we can't do division of complex number without knowing how to multiply complex number. Now, how do we do that? It means that if you have to do this, if you have to do this, like we want to do this 2 minus 2i divided by 3 plus 3i. This is division of complex number. How do we do this? The first thing we are going to do here is that we're going to find the conjugate of what we have here. What we mean of conjugate of what we have at the denominator side is that we're going to change this. It's going to be multiplied by 3 minus 3i over 3 minus 3i. So you multiply this and this, this and this, this and this, this and this. That's the rule. You're going to find the conjugate of this and you multiply the numerator and the denominator. So this one has to. Now we're going to look at what we did in the other ones that we did in the multiplication of complex numbers. It means that you multiply this by this. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is minus 6i. 2 times 3 is minus 6i. Minus times minus is plus 6i squared all over. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is minus 9i. 3 times 3 is plus 3i. Plus and minus is minus. Then you have 9i squared. 9i squared. Now, we're going to look at, no, this one is 9i. Sorry, this is 9i. So let us continue. We have 6 minus 6 minus 6 minus 12i. Then we have plus 6 into minus 1. We said that I said I square is minus 1. In my previous video, I've explained that. So you have 9 plus 9, minus 9 plus 9 is 0. So you have 9 minus 9 into minus 1. Now, we continue. 6 minus 12i. Minus times plus is minus 6 all over. You have 9. Here you have 9 minus. You have minus 9 times. This one is gone, so you have what you have is minus. Because you have already cancelled minus 9 plus 9, you have that. So don't make a mistake. You have minus 9i here plus 9i here is 0. Everything is gone there. So the only thing you have here is minus 1. It's minus you have here, not minus 1. So you have only minus here. So here you're going to begin with plus, going multiply than this, plus 9. So you have 6 minus 6, that's 0. So you have minus 12i all over 18. Minus 12i all over 18. So if you have to do anything that has to do with division of complex number, you are still going to work on multiplication of a complex number. And what you can still do something here. You can still simplify this. What can go in both of them? 6 can go in both of them. 6 here minus 3i. Then this here 6 here is 2. 6 here is 3. So you have minus 2i over 3. Now let's look at that one again. If you have this, if you have 4 minus 3j divided by 2 plus 4j. Like what I said, you're going to find the conjugate of this. It means multiply by 2 minus 4j all over 2 minus 4j. So you multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times this is minus 16j minus 6j, minus is plus, 3 times 4 is 12, then j times j is j squared. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times d, that shall have minus 8j plus 8j minus 4 times 4 is 16, that is j squared. Okay, so we move. Here you have 8 minus 6 minus 16 minus 6, that is minus 22j. Then you know your j squared is minus 1. Your j squared is minus 1. So it means that you have to multiply that is minus 16 into minus 1 all over. Then you have 4. This cancel this. You have minus 16j. The j squared is minus 1, so you have minus 1. So your I squared is minus 1 here, your j squared is minus 1. So here you can now sum it out. So you have equals to 8 minus 22j minus is plus 16 all over 4 minus is plus 16. So everything now give us 8 plus 16 will give us 24 minus 22j all over 20. So when you have to do division of complex number, you must know how to multiply complex number. And what you can see on the board, the only thing we did here is that whatever you have at the denominator, you find the conjugate of it. The conjugate simply means that you are changing this sign you have here. So here you have 3 plus 3i, so it becomes 3 minus 3i over 3 minus 3i, then you multiply. Here we have 2 plus 4j, so it's changed to 2 minus 4j and 2 minus 4j, then you multiply to arrive at your final answer. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please help me subscribe to it, help me share my links and like my videos. Thank you.